Did you know you can get up to 15 people into an airport lounge for free? This is thanks to the Capital One Venture X and its extended lounge benefits for its authorized users. And so this video is going to be your guide on why and how you would want to set up an authorized user for this card. And just to make sure you're not forgetting anything, we're going to talk about all the other benefits it has as well. So here's how to first add an authorized user to your account. You'll want to log into your Capital One and then select the Venture X credit card here. And then once you get onto your card page, you're going to want to select this I want to button here, and then there's the option to manage account users. You'll then go in and select add new user here. It'll then ask you what kind of access do you want to give this person, full access or limited access. And so depending on if it's a spouse or just a loved one, you may want to select limited access here. And then I'll ask for this following information, and then you hit continue. And then you could put in the social security number if they're going to be an account manager. Otherwise, you don't necessarily need to add it. And then just like that, that's how you add an authorized user. For me, the card got shipped priority mail, and so I got it really quick, like within 1 to 2 business days. And so to activate it, you'll typically see a banner here and along here saying to activate your card, but if you don't see it, go ahead and click back into your Capital One account and select the Venture X card again, and then you can go back to this I want to button and select activate card, and then we'll have a quick pop-up asking for the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and just like that, your card is activated. So you can add 4 free authorized users to your account, and once they receive their activated card, they get their own lounge access to the Capital One and Plaza Premium lounges just by showing their credit card and a same-day boarding pass. And now each person with a card also gets 2 free guests to these lounges. And so that means if you have your own 2 free guests, your 4 authorized users, they each have their own 2 guests. That means you can roll 15 deep into the airport lounge. And now if you're curious, the Capital One lounges are located in Denver, Washington, DC, and Dallas, DFW. And now with the Priority Pass lounges, you and your authorized users technically get unlimited guests. However, Priority Pass lounges are kind of infamously known to have their capacity limits, and they are often full. So while you technically can have unlimited guests, you may be restricted based on capacity limits. And in order to access the Priority Pass lounges, you do need a Priority Pass membership, which is free with the card, but you have to activate it. So let me show you how to do that. So to activate your Priority Pass membership, there's a couple of ways to get to it, but you can click on Explore Rewards and Benefits here, and then you simply select Benefits, this tab right here, and then you can scroll down and find Priority Pass membership, click on there, and then it'll take you to this page. Alternatively, you could just go to prioritypass.com/Capital One, and it'll take you here. You simply just type in your credit card number, the CAPTCHA, and then it goes through the process of creating a Priority Pass account. And now I will draw your attention to tell you that it does say it may take up to 2 weeks from the time that you receive your card or from the time that's dispatched for you to become eligible to get a Priority Pass membership. And so once you complete your account, they will send you a Priority Pass card. However, you can also log into your account on the Priority Pass app and use a digital membership card, and that's worked for me every single time so far. But wait, there's more. Because if we go back to our page of benefits and scroll down some more, we also get Hertz President Circle status. And so if we click here and select Enroll Now, and then it will take you to this landing page, and even as an authorized user, they can sign up for the Hertz President Circle status with the Capital One Venture X card. However, this benefit is going away at the end of the year, so I thought I'd still mention it because it is still more than half a year that you can take advantage of this status. But wait, there's more. Additionally, the authorized user does get travel and purchase protections, including primary car rental coverage if they use that card on those purchases. And now that leads me to some of the warnings I have about authorized users. You have to trust that person completely because you are financially responsible for any charges placed on that card. You can always remove people as an authorized user down the road, but you cannot take those charges back. And so to be honest, my policy tends to be I will give you access as an authorized user, but I do not want you putting any spend on that card. Additionally, it's worth noting that this will count towards that person's 524 status. However, it has been said that you can call Chase's reconsideration line if that's what pushes you past 524 or to the 524, and they may be able to take that off of your consideration for that card. And then if that doesn't work, you can remove that person as an authorized user from your card, and then they can wait a little bit and try the reconsideration line again. And then it's also worth noting that this this does not affect that person's ability to get this card down the road and get their own sign up bonus. And then also, if you do allow others to spend on your card, you do get the 2x points and the 10x back if they book through the travel portal, but they do not get their own separate point balance. It'll all go towards your account. And their spend does count towards your sign up bonus if you're working on that as well. So here's what you and your authorized user do not get. No one gets an additional $300 travel credit on the portal. No one gets an additional 10,000 points for anniversary bonuses. And no one gets an additional TSA pre-check or global entry credit. Now, with that being said, there's no real downside on adding authorized user if you have a trusted loved one that you can give it to. And now, if you don't have this card yet and you want to learn more about it, check out this video and also consider using my referral link. It would support this channel greatly. Or if you have Capital One miles and you're trying to figure out what to do with them, check out this playlist with some redemption ideas. My name's Michael. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.